Tuesday wona baba. Kahle iwona lama Tuesday wokugeza. Iwona buti.
Ukunda nini?
Noma lokho.
Eh?
Ngisonto akashembe.
Uyaphi?
Ngisendlini. This is where I stay.
Yeah?
This is where I stay, my brother.
Ngithi ubuyaphi?
What do you mean ngibuyaphi?
Angisho ukuthi ukhathele.
Oh no, I'm saying ngikhathele ukugunda.
Oh, sorry, bro. Misunderstood you, eh? Hey.
Ukubi nebhasi laka Jack Mavas.
Mfana ngise-airport eDubai ngiya eMuscat. Ngina 4 hours ngihlezi la.
Ukube Muscat.
Yeah. Ish.
Ukube Muscat, angikwazi Muscat.
It's in Oman.
Hayi, ngile ngiyazi. Ukuphi nje lapho? Hayi. Ukuphi?
It's around, it's in the UAE. It's around, yeah? Is it UAE also? Yeah. But it's around la.
Ngivumela bo my friend.
Fana ngihlezi nomunye la yambolo uceda ukusuza enye into la siyagawula la lenje yasuza la bese ibheka mina ngathi yimohlanyana ngithi
Uphethe wani? Uphethe Langston?
ngiphethe uLangston mfana.
Eish, Langston.
Eish. Eish. Amkhulu. Asipana lapho.
Something nyana kumele producer nyana ezorecorda la. Shit, ngama producer la.
Yeah?
Kumele producer ezorecorda.
Uproducer record wena.
No. Kumele umuntu ozongirecorda like but like I've recorded.
Sifana ngibuza la kurasa lama watu mfana.
Wanna hear something? Do you wanna hear something?
Play it. I see.
No, say please play. Don't say please.
Yeah?
Say please.
Marosbuzilo sifuna ukulalela siyavuma
bese you want to? Yes, please. I would love to. I would love to. Yes, please. I would love to. It's your money.
Abuya Friday.
Yeah.
Thursday.
Please.
Thursday ngiyabuya skipani.
Since uhambe nge-Halloween.
Yo, fana. Angiporeke.
Yeah. Uyabhoka la South Africa.
Ava kumnandi South Africa.
Kumnandi.
Bheka manje ephuma Tuesday. Kusasa mfana uyakuphupha. Le ngoma yeGigayida uyenzanga ngemistake like impilo yakho vele.
Based on a true story.
Dropa nini?
Based on a true story ngwanaka. Tibidibide. Tibidibide ngwanaka. Ngwana ke libetse wena. Yaloada chona ngoba.
Ngisendele enye video yakho yo.
Yeah.
Ngithi Langston ungisendele enye video yakho mfana yo.
Langston uzoziphoqisa ngami yabona ukuthi wenzani. Yabona ukuthi wenzani. Yona Langston Sani. Langston, yeah.
Yona kulokuvela
Hayi phela bani na. Eish.
kuyavela lo.
Chep. Haji bachi. Yeah. Chep. Young son. Little vibe, boy. Little vibe. Young son, little vibe.
Alishaya vesti ela Costa pero mina ngikhulumela labantu bela Costa yazi benza
Mbona ngishaya
kancane
ngethawula,
manje.
boy. Mangigeza ngisule ngethawula la cost.
Hayi nomela ngikhulumela labantu bayabhayisa.
Hey, George. Mwanaka. Hey, wena Thabang.
Ngilalele. Malacosta is on the really.
Ngwenya chale.
When I will Malacosta ngafosti wena.
Aish.
Wilo Malacosta ngafosti.
Hayi wena.
Ngilalele.
Like a Basilica, Bayaka Tente Buskina, they like a bope, Ratchet Bagima Katati, take a bullet ticket to go there, then I got to the Popote, Barelekai for la Bata, Loritina, Nishina, like a Basilica, Bayaka Tente Buskina, they like a bope, Ratchet Bagima Katati, take a bullet ticket to go there, then I got to the
Ubalo tulala.
Yeah.
Ubalo tulala.
Enye yaku TikTok bose ingidi.
We dlala ingoma.
Yes, that's the name. Young Shula mina ligama leli. Boso ya Mahwate. Yeah.
Makhawati. Ngibona lo. Yakuzwa.
This guy posts something. Last guy posting. Bese post keyboard. This guy. Lan ontshwara ne, mara lan tshwara guys, lan tshwara ne. Ke something ebe hao. Hey, bafethu. Aba ma producer bafethu, aba ma producer. Eish, lenja le mfethu bese ngimpressela la. Eish. Last dag ne bona maar. Last dag. Shaya enye ne. Eish, busy la ngiphezu kwazo lezi zinto. Ngiphezu kwazo. Phuma Tuesday namhlanje, limokayo lona kali Tuesday. Ngoba ilama Tuesday wokugeza. Aba ma producer sebenza bafethu. Oh.
ngizisifenye Sky eish njani ngifuna ukuphuma mfethu njani ngifuna ukuphuma ubani lo ufana nami la ngimbonile ubani lo ufana nami ubani lo ufana nami uthini hey uwe ubani itlasa wethu for producers sensekile kubushaphe busiso eish busiso kina leona mara busiso ke bona we try give you guys some man busiso fika noma nini bathi uyisdina ngeweekend akalala uveze nefika naye bathi vele ufuna amamitha animkhuzi ngani uyophuza bani kodwa makashona phansi bakishe bachomi akayetsa eish animkhuzi ngani uyophuza bani makashona phansi bathi sheba chomi akayetsa indlela iphuma Tuesday bafethu ngibona iphuma Tuesday mina la indlela iphuma Tuesday ne because it's Tuesday vele lantswa ne lantswa why wonke umuntu mangena la athi bariki tshwana le wena why Sama. I'm a big decision. I'm a big decision. I want to make a long tip. I'll big decision. I'll send them a pet. I'm a pet. Send them a pet. Yo. There's a mapedwana sande. Ay man. Ay. Hey wala mani. Ay. Pega tola ya. Shoot my hands. Let us say. Pega. Ay. Ene somchela lanta. Hey wala mani. Ay. No magati. Alfonso no an cool up. Oh bien. Ay. Hey, let us on through la one. Nah, asanga utini. Ay, Santa Bezu. Hey, Santa Bezu. Hey, Sesia Bezu. Ay, wana man. Sesia Bezu. Hey, ngiti siglandi. Ay, kangiti siglandi. Ay, sigbonile. Ay, tina sigbonile. Ay, Santa Bezu. Sesia Bezu. Ay, tina siglandi. Ay, sigbonile. Ay, Santa Bezu. Ay, Sesia Bezu. Ay, siglandi. Ay, sigbonile. Simpatile. Yo. Simbonile. Yeah. Simpatile. Yo. Simlandi. Simbonile. Yo. Simpatile. Simlandi. Yo. Tuesday, a Wednesday, Papa Magoe, Papa Wednesday, but Disney, a Monday, come to the hangout. Kuna underarm la, yona uyaqala ubona isidudla ngami kanti hawu Wow.
Siba Thursday, Friday, Simpakile, Kuma VIP, Simtolile, Ayana Simlandile, Puma, Umbonile, Friday, Simpakile, Kuma VIP, Simtolile.
But we're dropping that one soon. Don't you worry, child. I'm going to jive. You problem, ish. I can move, but hey, this is other one. Get it, Scots. Who tries it? I actually have some stuff with Avanzako. Actually, if you guys want to hear it. But here it is. Okay, it's the wrong one. We gotta get that one. Otherwise, we're releasing soon, guys. Soon. Release. Ngishimele ngifake ifeni ngapha. Sikuyachisa nyana. Umjuluko. Wehle umjuluko. Ngithi wehle umjuluko. Ay, sekaphuthuma. Hayi man, sekafuthumala. Wehle umjuluko. Wehle umjuluko. Ungumndebele kanti? No, my brother. Colored likhuluma isiZulu. I'm coming to Maniac. Yeah, Maniac, baba. Do you know Cuba Beats? Yes, I know Cuba Beats. That's my guy. He's always sleeping. I know him. That's my guy. What about it? I know him. In Lingwala ngima yini into enikhulumayo. Eish, mntana wala ku TikTok la. Yini into enikhulumayo. Do you know Bobby Martin? No, I don't. What hobby do you do? I spin, like I drift cars. And I play PlayStation. And I chew my dog.
Imagine. Come out.
Yo, les praat Afrikaans, bafethu, yo.
Why is it here?
Excuse.
They say missed out.
Who's stout?
Yeah.
Ek is stout. Nee, ek weet, Shandis, ek weet. I know it from school. I'm to commentate, I'm for commentate. Ngimnandi bafethu ningawazi.
But he understands Afrikaans, Shane.
Ek kan Afrikaans hoor. I never ninhlebe ngeAfrikaans ngikhona. Okay, thank you baby. Ngithi ngibe busy la. Ngiyacela bafethu. La senya bana ngiwabona, but asimameleni ingoma.
Asiyenze kanje asamba.
Ya la ngiphethe bonyax nyaka boys bafethu ngiyeza Afrikaans. Ngiyeza Afrikaans bafethu.
Bathi wena uthini ke? 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 Khala mathi ngathi baningi ke. Yebo ngikhona indoda ekabili. Need feel the izole siswini. Bathi wena uthini ke? Khala mathi ngathi baningi ke. Yebo ngikhona indoda ekabili. Bathi ngizole siswini. Bathi wena uthini ke? 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 Bathi wena uthini ke?
Wena uthini baba? Wena uthini? Uyabalabala. Hayibo. Uskotsi ya driver bafethu. Angithi nifuna ukuthi nginireportele. Uskotsi ya driver babuya eMpumalanga. So I can't call him right. Samba. guys, Uncool and Friends CSA. It wasn't what I expected. It wasn't what I expected, but now I know. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know. But on the 21st of December, we're doing another Uncool and Friends at Plot 8, Backpan, and so in the East Rand. That's where we're doing it. Didn't tell them location, yeah, in the East Rand. Yeah, it's a maniac today. Yes. Yeah, so why didn't you come? Where's the cheapest place? I don't know. Yeah, Baba Kuluva, where you guys? Hey, you guys are gonna Kuluva, my bro. Kuluva. That's Kuluva. I want to add Kuluvizi here. Oh shit, invited. Yeah. Luna. Yes. Kuluvizi. Yo, guys. What's happening with Kuluva? Kube iphutha. He's muted, ne? Kube iphutha. Hayi, uyabala ngamabala. Ish, bala. Uyabala. Ish, bala. Yes, I have a girlfriend. All right, Kuluvizi. Let's give Kuluvizi a minute, guys. Let's give him a minute. Yeah, I hope you guys are gonna buy tickets for the 21st of December. I've got this other feature with the Rory Diamonds. Rory Diamonds. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. It's Rory Diamonds. So then the kick guide drop soon, Skawara. Drop. Where do we purchase the tickets? On CompuTicket, darling. You know, CompuTicket is the way. It's easy.
Accept
Then we.
Sorry man, mngani wami. Cela ukufika manje man. Siyanga lapho eMpumalanga yabo. Ngisabhizi ngibeka izinto.
Nginibonile mdaka lapho.
Yeah. Uthi khamba.
Ngiyazi Kuluvizi. Ngishilo.
Ukuphi?
La kimi. Oh man, chilling, man.
Uzovela la. Uyophuma what time? Uzophuma if uzophuma.
Ngiyaphuma ebusuku ngabo11.
Ngizovela plus ufuna ukuqala ngijike ngala PC ngizovela. Yeah, ngizokuchecka athi ngilungise la. Ngizokutshela mase ngingala. Danko.
That's my guy Kuluvizi. Ish. Kitla khutla bafetso. Kopa go khutla pele